The year is 2200, and the blue planet is no more. Generations of ignored warnings have led to little water left on Earth, and that which is remaining is polluted, toxic, and unusable. The great oceans that once spanned across the globe, the Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian, are now islands of plastics and waste. Once mighty rivers are drains of chemical and human sludge, and groundwater aquifers have been emptied. On land, the remnants of humanity are at constant war for the precious commodity of fresh water. But hope has arisen, a truce has been declared, the leaders of the 6 communities have agreed to send a team of champions back in time to correct history and make the city water-friendly. Water-friendly cities are those which are livable, resilient, sustainable, and productive. A water-friendly city has 3 key principles. It should service a potential water supply catchment, provide ecosystem services and a healthy natural environment, and consist of engaged communities with citizens who actively make changes toward more water-positive behavior. These water-friendly city principles will guide you. Remember them well. Your various skills will be used to create the greatest change. You will be sent to 6 different areas, including residential, commercial, industrial, informal settlements, agriculture, and urban greenery. There you will have the opportunity to create a world that upholds the ideal of a water-friendly city. By completing this game, your community can leapfrog its water development to a water-friendly future. You have a variety of tools to help you on your journey to save your community and become a water champion. You'll be faced with 5 different scenarios in your community that you must overcome through completing challenges and investing tokens in water-sensitive solutions. As you successfully solve each scenario, the board will progressively transform to reveal a water-sensitive city. So what are you waiting for? Let's play! Each team selects their community. You've drawn the residential area. It's your turn. Start by rolling the dice. Oh look, you got 5 points. Let's start with a scenario. A long-standing culture of dumping waste into waterways has led to significant problems as it clogs waterways, affects water quality, and damages water infrastructure. A water-friendly solution could include education programs, installing signage, and introducing a cash for plastic recycling scheme. To invest in this solution, you'll need 7 points, but you only have 5. Let's pull a challenge card to earn some points to help overcome this issue. You have gone undercover within the local community to educate residents about a program where they can receive money for plastic waste. However, there are disbelievers out there who do not want you to succeed in changing behaviors. They've put a spell on you and taken away your voice. You have 45 seconds to communicate with your teammate using only hand signals, a list of plastics that are commonly found in waterways. If you succeed, the residents will set up a community recycling center and you will receive 5 points. If you take too long, they'll walk off and the message will be lost. Go on! Act it out! Tick-tock! Time is up! Better luck next time! As you didn't complete this challenge, you do not have enough points to overcome this current scenario, so you'll have to wait until it's your turn again to undertake another challenge to earn more points. It's now the next community's turn, and so all communities continue to play. They may even come across wild cards and expert cards, which will add uncertainty and collaboration to their journey, until one team has successfully converted its entire community to a water-friendly future and become the water champion. Go now, my friend, and remember, be water wise, use your water smarts, and be a water champion. Are you ready to save the world?